Most in-demand AI specializations.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries. Specializations such as computer vision, natural language processing, machine learning engineering, and AI ethics are among the most sought-after fields. Each area offers unique opportunities to solve real-world problems and drive innovation. Exploring these specialties can set you on a path to a dynamic, future-ready career in tech.
Computer vision, AI for visual understanding.
Computer vision focuses on teaching machines to interpret visual information like images and videos. Applications include self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical image analysis. To start a career in computer vision, learn Python, master libraries such as OpenCV and TensorFlow, and take online courses that cover deep learning and image processing fundamentals.
Natural language processing, teaching machines to understand language.
Natural language processing, or NLP, helps computers understand, interpret, and generate human language. It powers chatbots, translation apps, and voice assistants. To pursue NLP, study text mining, machine learning, and linguistics, gaining experience with libraries like NLTK, Spacey, or Hugging Face, along with completing projects in sentiment analysis or language generation, can deepen your skills.
AI and machine learning engineering, building smarter systems.
AI and machine learning engineers design, build, and deploy AI models for real-world use. This role requires strong programming skills, mathematics, and knowledge of data science principles. Begin by learning Python and foundational math. Then work through courses in algorithms and model deployment. Completing hands-on projects will make your expertise stand out to employers.
AI ethics and responsible AI.
AI ethics is essential as AI systems impact society. Specialists assess fairness, transparency, and safety in AI models. To enter this area, study philosophy, law, data governance, and technical factors that influence ethical AI use. Free resources and certifications from organizations focused on responsible technology can build your understanding and credentials.
Your learning pathway in AI.
To pursue an AI specialization, start with a solid foundation in math, statistics, and programming. Choose a specialty based on your interests, then combine online courses, open source projects, and networking with professionals. Staying updated with advances through research papers and tech communities ensures your skills remain relevant and in demand.